look at what looks to be a similar problem, but it's not like it at all. 132 inches to feet here. Let's go back now and convert 132 feet to inches. So in this case, I'm going from feet to inches. I can do that because I do know the conversion between feet and inches. The conversion is the same. 1 foot is 12 inches. But now when I get ready to do the chain, and I have 132 feet over 1, I need to cancel feet. I have feet, I don't want feet. I want to get rid of it. So when I do this, I've got to use this in the form of 12 inches over 1 foot, because I want to cancel out the feet. By putting 12 inches over 1 foot, feet cancel. It leaves my answer in inches, which is what I wanted. So I'm analyzing my units to get what I want. And now I'll simply multiply 132 times 12 to get 1,584. 1 times 1 is 1, so I could put it over 1. So 1,584 inches. Sometimes one needs to include more links in the conversion chain. For example, let's convert 128 fluid ounces to quarts. Now I can't go straight from fluid ounces to quarts. The reason is I don't have a conversion between fluid ounces and quarts. Go back to the conversions that you learned earlier, or the ones that I told you you needed to know for capacity. I know that 1 gallon is 4 quarts. I know 1 quart is 2 pints. I know that 1 pint is 16 fluid ounces. But I don't know the conversion between fluid ounces and quarts. I have nothing connecting them. Well, what do I have with fluid ounces? I must start with the given fluid ounces. Well, with fluid ounces, I have 2 of them. I have fluid ounces with cups. I have fluid ounces with pints. So notice what I can do. I can go from fluid ounces to pints because I have the conversion fact. Then I can go from pints to quarts. So that's the way we have to draw our route. We have to go do our route based upon conversion facts we know. I know the conversion fact between fluid ounces and pints. So therefore I can go from fluid ounces to pints. I know a conversion fact between pints and quarts. Therefore I can go from pints to quarts. Next I'll list those 2 conversion facts. 1 pint is 16 fluid ounces. First one. And for the second error, we have 1 quart is 2 pints. I'm numbering to show you how they correspond. Now you always start with the given quantity over 1. So the given quantity was 128 fluid ounces. So I have 128 fluid ounces over 1. That's what you always start with. The quantity I give you over 1. Times, now I'm going to use my first conversion fact. Now there's 2 ways I could do it. I could put 1 pint over 16 fluid ounces, or I could put 16 fluid ounces over 1 pint. I want to do it so that fluid ounces will cancel. I can cancel any numerator with any denominator. So since fluid ounces is in the numerator here, it must be in the denominator to cancel. So I've got to put the 1 pint on top, the 16 fluid ounces on the bottom. So you can see that's what I did. 1 pint on top, 16 fluid ounces on the bottom, and now fluid ounces will cancel.